Israel's Iron Dome has proven to be a near-impenetrable defense system, capable of intercepting short-range rockets with remarkable success. Developed with U.S. support, it boasts a 90% interception rate, particularly during the Gaza war. However, when President Trump signed an executive order to explore a similar defense shield for the U.S., challenges emerged. The Iron Dome is designed for short-range threats, while U.S. adversaries are increasingly equipped with long-range cruise and hypersonic missiles, targets the system isn't equipped to handle. Unlike Israel's compact geography, the U.S. spans 3.8 million square miles, making nationwide missile defense a logistical nightmare. Prioritizing coastal states like California, Texas, and Florida for Iron Dome deployment would be a difficult and expensive task, with estimated costs of tens of billions of dollars. Critics argue that a U.S. version of the system could disproportionately benefit defense contractors rather than provide real security. Moreover, adversaries such as Russia and China possess weapons far more advanced than the short-range rockets the Iron Dome is designed to counter. Current U.S. missile defense systems, including the ground-based mid-course defense (GMD) target intercontinental ballistic missiles (ICBMs), but they're expensive, unreliable, and limited in scope. Space-based interceptors could fill the gap, but are fraught with risks, including potential collateral damage and the danger of space debris. While the Iron Dome technology has been adapted in systems like Skyhunter, which offers localized protection, it cannot provide the comprehensive defense required for the U.S. Instead, a multi-layered approach, possibly integrating laser-based systems like Israel's Iron Beam, could offer more. Promise: the Iron Dome may have a place in the U.S. defense strategy, but adapting it nationwide will demand careful planning and innovation.
Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon if you like our content.